My inspiration is my father. My father has trained us from the age of 10 itself, me, myself, and my brothers. So we used to work in his workshop.
From a small village in Tamil Nadu to the global stage of precision engineering, this is the story of a man who dared to dream beyond boundaries. This is the journey of Jayakumar Subbian and the making of JKS engineering.
My parents, father and mother are not educated. My father moved to the city. He started learning turning operations, milling and this. And he started a small company with one turning lathe. My elder brother is a mechanical engineer, myself production. My younger brother is civil engineer. My father has involved myself and my brothers, and he has trained us from the age of 10 itself, machining small works, and then stage by stage he has trained us. Whatever he is doing, he has taught us. His main thing is make us engineer. That was his dream and he did that.
In a small village in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, JKS Engineering is establishing a new narrative of Indian manufacturing. Founded by Jayakumar Subbian, its journey runs from a modest village life to Singapore's high-tech floors and back to India with just 2 machines and a dream, driven by engineering, innovation and a deep belief in making India.
My inspiration is to start a company. That's there in my mind from younger age itself. So when I went to Singapore, that time I just showed more interest in learning. I moved to many companies and I've seen many new product developments. Some parts they are depending on Japan, Germany, all these things. Singapore, they are not getting from India. So I thought there should be some point where India should be considered for all these new product developments.
Leaving behind a comfortable life in Singapore, he sold everything and came back determined never to turn back. The first years were brutal. 16-hour power cuts, no customers, and skepticism from skilled workers. But Jayakumar refused to take the easy road of mass production. His persistence paid off when a small trial order from a US client turned into a long-term partnership.
Luckily, I got a customer from US, Atlas Capco. At the first stretch, I just gave them a good order. They said, this first time you are doing this and we are very happy.
We are the main supplier for BrahMos Aerospace and we are doing some exports. And also we are having 52 machines inside our plant. All VMC, HMC, CNC, BTL, and wire cutting machine and EDM machine. We are doing all high precision components, that is the maximum accuracy of within 2 microns of accuracy.
The problem is new product development. Maybe they are not aware that Indian also can do that. That is the drawback what I am facing. Make in India is very important. All the things which are important, we are trying to convert it to make in India.
For Jayakumar, success is measured not only in numbers, it's in the jobs created, 60% of them freshers trained in-house.
Most of the people who are working is from freshers. I take them as a fresher, I'll train up. Now most of them are very skilled and knowledgeable.
With state-of-the-art machines, JKS meets global standards while staying true to its core.
இப்போ நம்ம கம்பெனியில் வந்து ப்ரிசிஷன் காம்பனன்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பண்ணிகிட்ருக்குறோம். இந்தியாவிலேருந்து நிறைய காம்பனண்ட் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம ஜேகேஎஸ் இன்ஜினியரிங்லேருந்து நம்ம எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு உங்களோட பீப்புள் வந்து ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதை நம்ம வந்து சக்ஸஸாகவும் மாற்றிருக்கிறோம்.
I am very proud that in my own village I was able to grow like that.
ஜாயின் பண்ணும்போது ஆப்ரேட்டராக ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ 12 இயர்ஸில் நம்ம இப்போ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இன்ஜினியர் ஆகிறேன்.
Future, my aim is to become a aerospace company, manufacturing company. But I am just working on it, and my people are getting trained for that.
From Velanaipatti to the global corridors of precision engineering, Jayakumar has shown that world-class innovation can be born in the rural heart of India. By skilling youth, mentoring entrepreneurs, and nurturing local businesses, he has built a movement where growth is shared, dreams are nurtured, and excellence carries the proud stamp of Made in India. Jayakumar Subbian, a true champion of Make in India, proving that when India makes, the world takes notice.